Welcome to our 10 Cookery Quarter to Week 1 for today's topic. We are guided by the following objectives. 1. Prepare ingredients according to a given recipe. Required form and time frame. 2. Thaw frozen ingredients and wash raw vegetables following standard procedures. For our learning task 1, directions. Your mother is planning to cook sinigang for lunch. Help her choose the ingredients to prepare. Write your answer on the space provided. Guide question 1. Which among the pictures above is not good for sinigang? Why do you think so? Learning task 2, directions. Read and understand the information about vegetables, and be able to identify ingredients in different recipes you are preparing at home. Information sheet number 1. Vegetables are plants or parts of plants like leaves, fruits, tubers, roots, bulbs, stems, shoots, and flower used in a classification according to parts of plant seeds and pods, beans, peas, corn, okra, fruit, vegetables, avocado, eggplant, sweet pepper, tomato, roots and tubers, beet, carrot, radish, turnip, artichoke, potato, sweet potato leaf, greens, spinach, lettuce, stalks, stems, and shoots, artichoke, aspara. Classification according to family: gourd family, cucumber, pumpkin, chayote, mushrooms, cabbage family, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, onion family, onion, scallion, leek, garlic, shallot. Preparing fresh vegetables: 1. Washing. 2. Soaking. 3. Peeling and cutting. The general methods to wash produce are as follows: firm produce. Fruits with firmer skins like apples, lemons, and pears, as well as root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and turnips, can benefit from being brushed with a clean, soft bristle to better remove residues from their pores. Leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, Swiss chard, leeks, and cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts and bok choy should have their outermost layer removed. Then be submerged in a bowl of cool water, swished, drained, and rinsed with fresh water. Delicate produce, berries, mushrooms, and other types of produce that are more likely to fall apart can be cleaned with a steady stream of water and gentle friction using your fingers to remove grit. Information sheet number 2: 5 ways to safely thaw frozen foods. 1. In the refrigerator. This is the easiest method, but it takes a long time, so you must plan. 2. In cold water. Sealed packages of food may be thawed in cold water. Place the package under water in a bowl, pot, or sink and change the water every 30 minutes until the food is defrosted. 3. In the microwave. Microwave thawing may be uneven, leading to poor quality or even bacterial growth. It's best to use this method if you're going to cook the food, or for frozen fruits and berries that you're going to serve immediately. 4. At room temperature. Pastries, breads, vegetables, and fruits may be thawed for 2 to 4 hours at room temperature. Do not use this method for meat, fish, and vegetables. 5. Under running water. Meat may be thawed under cool running water. Washing fruits and vegetables. Standard operating procedures. 1. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm water and soap before and after preparing fresh produce. 2. If damage or bruising occurs before eating or handling, cut away the damaged or bruised areas before preparing or eating. 3. Rinse produce before you peel it, so dirt and bacteria aren't transferred from the knife onto the fruit or vegetable. 4. Gently rub produce while holding under plain running water. There's no need to use soap or a produce wash. 5. Use a clean vegetable brush to scrub firm produce, such as melons and cucumbers. 6. Dry produce with a clean cloth or paper towel to further reduce bacteria that may be present. 7. Remove the outermost leaves of a head of lettuce or cabbage. for your activity. Learning Task 3, Directions. Read the vegetable short story. Copy the underlined name of vegetable and give its classification. There are many healthy and delicious vegetables. They are good for you. Carrots and tomatoes are good for your eyes. Cauliflower together with cucumber is a good combination. To dip into a yummy mayonnaise, you may also add avocado and taste its twist. Learning Task 4, Directions. Identify the different methods of preparing fresh vegetables. Write the correct method on the space provided. Performance Task. Directions. Get any available vegetables at home. Fill up the table below and complete the needed information. As you follow the standard operating procedure stop of washing. Thanks for watching. God bless.